So let's see the problem set 27. So see the first question what it is. Give two examples of parallel lines you can see in your environment. We have to write here examples of parallel lines in your surrounding, in your environment. So many things are there which are parallel. So just observe it carefully, okay, and search it which are the parallel lines. Now here I am giving some examples for you. So examples of parallel lines are steps on the ladder, steps on the ladder. Then opposite sides of textbook. Opposite sides of textbook are also these sides are parallel to each other. Then railway tracks. Everyone have seen that railway tracks. Okay, these two tracks, that iron tracks, these two tracks cannot touch to each other. So these are the parallel lines only. Now see the second question. Give two examples of perpendicular lines you can see in your environment. Now we have to give the examples of perpendicular lines. Okay. So examples of perpendicular lines are tree trunk on the ground. Everyone know the tree. So if we observe the tree and that ground, so the tree is tree and that land or ground, how much degree angle forms? Just you observe it. So it is a 90 degree. So tree trunk on the ground, it will form a perpendicular line. Then electric pole also, on road having no electric pole. So it is fixed to the ground. So this electric pole and the land, how much degree angle they form? 90 degree. Means what? That electric pole and the ground is perpendicular to each other. Then just now I explained two adjacent sides of notebook. Two adjacent sides of notebooks. These are some examples of perpendicular lines. Okay. Now let's see the third question. Okay, look at the pictures given below. Decide whether the lines given in each picture are parallel or perpendicular to each other and write the answer in the box. Though this question is in your textbook, here place is there, but you have to draw it in your CW and then you have to write the answer. So see the first two lines. So here, is it the two lines intersect with each other? Is it they touch to each other? No. So it is a parallel lines. Now here, this line and this line, how much degree angle they form? 90 degree. So it is which line? Perpendicular lines. So now here, this line and this, is it they intersect with each other? Is it they touch to each other? No. So here, which type it is? Parallel line. Okay. Parallel lines. Next one, here if we increase it, is it they touch to each other? No. So these also parallel lines. Now here, these two lines, okay, if we see here, they intersect with each other, but how much degree the angle they form? 90 degree. So which type it is? Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. So here we conclude the problem set 27. Only just 3 questions are there. So all these 3 questions you have to write in rough book. When you get your CW, then you have to start continue in your math CW. If it is filled in first semester only, then make a separate new book for the second sem. Okay, understood everyone? And from next period, we are going to start the lesson number 7, circles. For this lesson, you need the compass, that is this Karkatak or compass. Okay, this compass you need, so everyone purchase it. So it is easy for you to start the lesson number 7 with drawing the circle. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's part. I think everyone have understood the parallel and perpendicular line. So everyone complete the problem set 27 and learn the tables. Learn and write the tables also. Understood everyone? Okay. Thank you.